Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Binance account with PayPal, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Binance account with PayPal, start by logging into your Binance account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Binance website and following the registration prompts. Once you are logged in, navigate to the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the identification option to begin the verification process. You will be directed to the verification page, where you can choose to verify your identity. Select the type of identification you want to use, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to upload the necessary documents. Make sure your documents are clear and legible for the verification. After uploading the documents, you may need to take a selfie for identity verification. Follow the camera prompts to ensure you capture an accurate image of yourself. Once you have submitted your documents and selfie, wait for Binance to review your application. This process may take a few minutes to several hours, so be patient. While you're waiting, you can prepare your PayPal account for linking. Log into your PayPal account in another browser tab. Check that your PayPal account is verified, as an unverified account may not link properly. If your PayPal account needs verification, follow PayPal's instructions to complete that process. After your PayPal account is verified, return to Binance. In your Binance account, navigate to the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. From there, locate the deposit option and select it. Choose the PayPal option from the available payment methods. You may be prompted to link your PayPal account. Follow the instructions to authorize Binance to access your PayPal account. After the authorization, your PayPal account will be linked to your Binance account. Once everything is set up, you can deposit funds using PayPal. Return to the Wallet section and select Deposit again to make a deposit. Follow the instructions to complete your deposit using your linked PayPal account. After your funds are successfully deposited, you can now trade or transfer cryptocurrencies on Binance. Make sure to keep your account information secure and monitor your transactions regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.